people like the products of, let's say, Amazon, or they like the products of Apple, or they like the products of Starbucks, and they therefore tend to like the companies. Why do you think Comcast and other cable companies are not that well liked, unlike other companies whose products are popular and the companies are liked?
Well, it's a great question. Television used to be free, and now most Americans are paying a lot of money for it. And every year it can get more expensive. And that is the sum total of sports and the cost of actors and the cost of many, many more channels and high definition and the technical capabilities. And if we are passing all those increases along that we've experienced, no one remembers that. So that's partly why I think it's an industry issue, but that's not a good answer. And so what we've set about at Comcast was to, not accept that and to try to find a way to emulate some of the companies you just referenced who have a lot of goodwill. And so we've thought that by making our products better, we changed the name of the company to Xfinity. We came up with a product called X1, and it took about 10 years in development. We're building a technology center here in Philadelphia, and we're trying to pivot the whole company to have a rapid deployment of new products that delight and surprise you all the time. Back that up with an advertising and messaging and understanding by the consumer of what it is you get. And then maybe the link that was missing after we achieved that with some of our products was service. Showing up on time, getting it right the first time, having the network be reliable.
Do you ever have problems with your cable?
Sure, once in a while.
And what do? You call somebody, or you call your office, or what do you do?
Well, I use it as a learning experience, first of all. And so we're constantly trying to improve and have a virtuous cycle of repair and improvement. If my cable's out, I use my app. I then will go back and say how many customers were affected. And there's a culture that I believe we have improved massively, but we have ways to go.
But is it intimidating for the cable repairman to come to your house, you think? I mean, they know they better get it right, or they know it's you?
They hopefully a little bit of both, but I ultimately try not to get so much different treatment that it's out of touch with what our customers are experiencing, but I'm sure there's some of that happening.